Alright, improper fractions. Now these are pretty easy. Let's have a look at an example of a proper fraction. We've got to know what a proper fraction is. Okay, it's 2 over 5. You've got the smaller number over the bigger number. The 2 over the 5. The small numerator over the larger denominator. Alright, simple. Okay, the denominator is 5, which is bigger than the numerator, which is 2. Okay, the small number over the bigger number. This is a proper fraction, a normal fraction. What's an improper fraction? Well, you probably at this stage have guessed by now that it's the opposite. It's where you have a larger number over a smaller number. Here's an example. 7 over 2. Okay? 7's larger than 2, so the larger number is sitting on top of the smaller number. The denominator is smaller than the numerator. It's big over small. This is not normal. It's called an improper fraction. Okay? An improper fraction. Not a proper fraction, but an improper fraction. Now, what do we do with improper fractions? Well, we change them into a mixed number. You see, we can change a mixed number into an improper fraction, and we can change an improper fraction back into a mixed number. What's a mixed number? Well, a mixed number is a mixture between a whole number and a fraction. Okay, like here's a fraction, 2 over 5, and let's shove a whole number beside it, 2. 2's a whole number, so that's 2 and 2/5. That's a mixed number. We're mixing a whole number and a fraction. Okay, simple. Now, the 7 over 2 we can change into this mixed number. We do that by dividing the 2 into the 7. Well, we all know how to divide. How many 2's are in 7? Well, let's just go through that simply so you really get the gist of this. Let's do 7 dashes. Okay? And now when we finish those 7 dashes, we're going to look for groups of 2. How many 2's are in 7? 1, 2, 3. Remainder 1. Okay, so 3 then is our whole number. Okay, the amount of 2's in 7 gives us 3. So 3 becomes our whole number. Alright, now we've got to work out the fraction. The fraction is, well, we'll put the remainder, which is 1 left over. 1's our remainder. That's now our new numerator. So we put that above the line. 1 over, and the denominator here stays the same. The denominator does not change. Okay, there it is in yellow. That stays the same. So we put 2 here, and therefore this is our answer. This is 7 over 2 into a mixed number. We divided how many 2's are in 7, giving us 3. 1 left over, which is our new numerator, and then over 2. Don't forget, large over small is an improper fraction. Hopefully you understand it now. If you don't, watch the video again, or have a look. I might have another video explaining this maybe in a slightly different way. Okay, but practice the worksheets now and see if you understand them. But it is pretty simple, changing an improper fraction to a mixed number and vice versa. But thanks for listening, and feel free to check my other videos out. Keep going.